Hello and welcome to the Automotive Diagnosis YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to change the engine oil and oil filter on Toyota Corolla Sedan 2008 to 2013. Please stay with us until the end of the video, and do not forget to visit and subscribe the channel. Open the oil filler cap, use the hoist, or just floor jack and jack stand, to lift the car up and get access to the engine sump and oil filter. Make sure transmission is on P position and handbrake is on. Clean around the sump plug and then remove it. Make sure to use the protective gloves and catch the oil by a drain pan. Take extra care as engine parts might be hot. Replace the washer and tighten the plug for 35 Nm. Tighten it by hand first to make sure that the plug is not cross-threaded. Don't over-tighten the sump plug as it might lead to the oil leak or the sump damage. Use the oil filter removal tool to remove the oil filter. Catch the oil by a drain pan. Apply some oil on the oil filter O-ring, then install it. Make sure the oil filter is hand tightened. Bring the car down, use a funnel and put the new engine oil in the engine slowly. Make sure to check how much oil you are putting in the engine. Do not overfill the engine as the maximum oil quantity must be 4.2 liter. Put the oil filler cap back on, then wait for a couple of minutes. Then start the engine on, leave the engine running at idle, and at the same time, make sure that the engine oil pressure warning light is not on at the instrument cluster. After that, turn off the engine, wait for a minute, and then check the oil level again and add oil if level is low. The final step is to check the sump plug and oil filter again to make sure that there is not any oil leak. Thanks for watching. For more information, don't forget to check the workshop manual or owner's manual for your car, and please visit our channel for more videos.